This is the Taliesin neck mount with MagSafe in the minty green color. This thing is incredible if you're doing like overhead shots or you want to do like a hands-free shot. Maybe you make cooking content or something like that, then this would be perfect for you. It's got a little button on the side, so you just push that and it opens on up like this. Pop it around your neck and then clip it back in. I love the minty green color. It's one of my favorite colors, so it is nice and vibrant, making it a bit more fun than just your average black or gray color. And the best thing is that it's MagSafe, so you can get your phone with MagSafe on it and simply pop it in there. That way you can see the shot that you're getting, and you're also hands-free, which I think is incredible, being hands-free here, so you can move whatever items you're filming, etc. You can also pop it in vertical, which is really nice. And then obviously these two things here are nice and adjustable, so you can adjust the angle, adjust the levels that you need it to be at for your desired shot there. Honestly, I use this thing all the time. Highly recommend it. Go and get yourself one.